Here I am showing to the operators on the rig 183.
183.
Yeah, how to allowing the braking, automatic braking of the drill bit.
Yes.
By using the parameter,
yes.
and without absolutely using the emergency stop.
Yes.
So we have the hammer. We have the hammer in the bottom position.
Yeah,
okay.
That's true.
How to bring the bit into the braking position. So remember, just two conditions. Okay. Of course, you need to do it in drilling mode.
Position.
Drilling mode.
Yes.
We need to press the allowing of the drill bit.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Then we go into the drilling display.
Yes.
Because we need to activate the modality of retraction of the bit.
Yes.
So once we press the middle button on the right joystick,
Yes.
we have the retraction of the bit activated.
Yes.
And we pull the joystick up until it automatically stop.
By itself.
Automatically stop itself.
Yes.
Okay, now it is automatically stopped.
Yes.
We don't have to activate the emergency mode of the breakout table.
Yes.
Because the system is set up
Yes.
properly.
Yes.
As we can see now, the bit, it went exactly in the braking position without damaging the upper centralizer. Okay.
Yes.
I can also show it
Downside.
downside.
No problem.
Okay, so the bit is exactly into the correct position for braking. So we are grabbing on the chuck
Yes.
and the casing.
Yes.
Okay, so now I show you. You can see that now I will activate my automatic sequence of the breakout table without using the emergency mode. Then I release the lower breakout and my bit, it will be in open position. Okay, I go down with my bit and then just unthreading.